Okay, so we're just going to do a quick demonstration of the Suttner ST2600 Vario pressure wash gun. As you can see, it's got a valve in between the gun and this quick release coupling, which enables me to reduce the pressure coming out of the nozzle when we're pressure washing. Turning the valve is effectively reducing your flow rate and sending the excess water through the bypass on your unloader valve. This in turn reduces the pressure at the nozzle. With a quick turn of the valve, you can precisely tailor the pressure to suit any surface, whether you're cleaning delicate equipment or removing stubborn grime from hard surfaces, without having to change your lance or nozzle. The gun also features Suttner's low trigger force technology, which gives a 90% reduced holding force and 40% reduced trigger force against usual market guns, making this wash gun incredibly easy to use.